So buying a suit online can be really difficult if you don't know your size, or if you haven't had a Tiger of Sweden suit before. It can be really difficult. So I would say sizes, but also the fitting. So if you want to buy your first suit and you don't really see what is the difference between this suit and this suit, I think that the chatbot can be really helpful with like helping people. Okay, do you want a slim fitted suit? Do you want a more regular suit? Do you want the suit to look like this or look like this? And so the bot can guide the customer to buy the right suit right away.